Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to add money to your Steam wallets using Google Pay. Let's begin. First, launch the Steam application and sign in with your account. Once you're here, click on your profile icon over here on the top right, then go to account details or simply go to your view my wallet section. Okay. Now, here's the catch. Steam doesn't directly support Google Pay as of now. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. I want you to click on redeem a Steam gift cards or wallet code. Now, you can buy a Steam prepaid card from trusted websites like Amazon, where you can pay using Google Pay. Just simply enter the code from the card over here, confirm your billing information, and then click on continue. And that's it. Using this method, you have successfully added funds to your Steam wallet using Google Pay. Indirectly, but effectively. I hope you found this video very helpful.